Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can change your name on your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to begin, open your YouTube app. Now to go to your YouTube channel, just tap on this icon right here. It will then direct you to your YouTube channel. Here is my profile right here. Now as you can see right at the top, this is my name. And then you can see right here, view channel. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this page. Now here is your YouTube channel. Now to change your name, what I'm going to do is just to tap on this pencil or pen icon. Now on this page, you can see my name, my YouTube handle, my channel URL, the description, and privacy. Now to change your name, just tap on this pencil icon beside my name. And then as you can see right here, you can now change your name. Make sure that you add a name or unique name to your YouTube channel. And then remember that when you change your name, it is visible to anyone on YouTube. And changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. And you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So now if you find the right name for your YouTube channel, just tap on Save. And of course, we change our name. I also want to change my YouTube handle. So just tap on the YouTube handle and then we have to change right here. And same with your name, it is only visible to anyone on YouTube. You can also change your handle back within 14 days. And this handle will become your channel URL. And you can change it twice within 14 days. And then just tap on Save and you're done. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!